Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the pipe and choosing the right connector. This matters because material dictates seal method and longevity. Once done, cut the pipe square and remove burrs so the seal seats evenly. Make sure to clean oil, dirt, and corrosion from the mating surfaces. Next, pick a compatible connector, compression for metal, push fit for quick installs, epoxy sleeve for damaged sections, and inspect O-rings or ferrules before assembly so you won't need to redo the joint. You now assemble the joint with steady hands and attention to alignment because misalignment causes leaks. First, slide the ferrule, sleeve, or push-fit collar into place and ensure both pipe ends meet squarely. If using PTFE tape, wrap 3-5 turns clockwise on male ends only. Then hand start threads or push the fitting fully. Follow with the recommended torque, tight enough to compress the seal, but not so much you damage the O-ring or deform the pipe, which would void the connection. You finish by slowly applying pressure and watching the joint for leaks. This step tests the seal and reveals any installation errors. If you see a small weep, depressurize and tighten the nut or retorque to spec. Make sure not to over-tighten. If leakage persists, cut out and reseat the connection, replace the O-ring, or use an epoxy sleeve for hairline cracks. The key troubleshooting tip: always test at low pressure first. It prevents a sudden failure and gives you time to fix issues safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.